Hello students, hope you all are good and doing well. Myself Diksha Rai, I am your subject teacher of GK from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, today we are going to start our first chapter from general knowledge, that is food of animals. What is the name of this chapter? Food of animals. By this chapter, we shall read about the food of animals and what is the importance of food in our life. So, students, do you know that what is food? Food is what people and animals eat to live. Food usually comes from animals and plants. It is eaten by living things to provide energy and nutrition. So, students, do you know that what is food? Food is what people and animals eat to live. Food usually comes from animals and plants. It is eaten by living things to provide energy and nutrition. So students, do you know that what is the importance of food in our life? Food is something that provide nutrients. Nutrients are substances that provide energy for activity, growth and all functions of the body, such as breathing, digesting food and keeping warm, materials for the growth and repair of the body. So students, as we know that food is very important for our life. Food is something that provides nutrients. Nutrients are substances that provide energy for activity, growth and all functions of the body, such as breathing, digesting food and keeping warm, material for the growth and repair of the body. So students, your next topic is what are the benefits of food. We know very well. Your first point is energy you need to keep active throughout the day. So do you know that what is the benefits of food? It's energy you need to keep active throughout of the day. Your second point is nutrients you need for growth and repair, helping you to stay strong and healthy. Nutrients. What is nutrients? You need for growth and repair, helping you to stay strong and healthy. So student, do you know that what is the spelling of strong? It's STRONG. And your next topic is what are 5 functions of food? Do you know that what are the functions of food? It's your first point is stay alive, be active, move and work. What is it? Stay alive, be active, move and work. And number second is build new cells and tissues for growth. What is it? Build new cells and tissues for growth. And student, you know, next topic is stay healthy and heal themselves, prevent and fight infections. What is it? Stay healthy and heal themselves, prevent and fight infections. So students, your next topic is what are the main sources of food. What are the 2 main sources of food? Do you know that what is the main sources of food? It's plants and animals are the main source of food for all the organisms on earth. What is it? Plants and animals are the main source of food for all the organisms on earth. Your next topic is what are the 4 sources of food? Do you know that what are the 4 sources of food? It's number first is fats, number second is proteins, number third is proteins, nutrition and human. Number 4 is carbohydrates. What is it? It's carbohydrates. So students, we read this chapter yesterday, but we shall revise this chapter once again because it is a very important chapter for you. As you very well know, food of animals. Food is very important for our life. So students, before doing the exercise of this chapter, we shall read about nature. What is it? It's nature. Do you know that what is nature? Nature can refer of the general of living plants and animals, and in some cases of the processes associated with inanimate objective. The way that particular types of things exist and change of their own accord, such as the weather and geology of the earth. So students, do you know that what is the importance of nature? Nature gives many benefits to humans, from the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. So students, do you know that what is diet? A healthy diet or balanced diet is a diet that contains the right amount of all the food groups. It includes fruit, vegetables, grains, dairy products, and protein. A healthy diet is essential for good health and nutrition. So, students, do you know that what is herbivorous? Herbivorous are animals that only eat plants, such as deer and elephant. Do you know that what is carnivorous? Carnivorous is an organism that mostly eats meat on the flesh of other animals, as an example lion and wolf. So students, your next topic is what is omnivorous? Omnivorous is an animal that has the ability to eat and survive on both with plants and animals matter, like dogs and bears. So students, do you know that what is scavengers? Scavenger is a person, animal of insect who takes what other have left or thrown away. So student, now we are going to start our exercise, that is food of animals. So students, match the animals with the food they eat. So student, number first is elephant. Do you know that some point about animal? Elephant is largest living land animal, characterized by its long trunk, elongated upper lip and nose. So students, columnar legs and huge head with temporal glands and wide flat ears. Elephant eats grasses, shrubs and bark, fruits, etc. That's why number first, elephant, we can match with option number D. What is it? D. Now your next point is lion. What is it? Lion. The lion is a large mammal of the Felidae cat family. Some large males weigh over 250 kg. Today, wild lions in Saharan Africa and in Asia. Lions eat flesh of animal. That's why question number second, lion, we can match with option number C. What is it? It's C. Your next point is snake. What is it? It's a snake. Snakes are reptiles that they are part of the order Squanta. They are carnivorous. What is it? Carnivorous. So, student, they are carnivorous with long narrow bodies and no legs. Snake eats rat. What is it? It's rats. So, question number 3 is snake with match E. Rat. Your next point is rabbit. What is it? It's rabbit. Rabbit are small mammals that grouped under the family Leopardidae, which is a Latin word that means resembling hares. Rabbits are herbivorous and feed mainly on leaves, grasses and plants. That's why 4. Rabbit we can match with carrot. What is it? Carrot. So student, do you know that what is the spelling of carrot? It's CARROT. Have you seen carrot? Yes or no? Do you like to eat carrot? So students, your next point is giraffe. What is it? It's giraffe. Giraffe are the world's tallest mammals. thanks to their towering legs and long necks. A giraffe legs alone are taller than many humans, about 6 feet. Giraffe eat a variety of fresh acacia leaves. That's why point number 5, giraffe, we can match with A. What is it? It's A, plant. Tree. Next point is your anteater. What is anteater? Anteater. So that's why anteater is a common name for the four-extant mammal with a long nose and tongue that eats ants. That's why C, anteater with match with F. What is it? It's F. So students, as we know very well, food is very important for our life. Food is what people and animals eat to live. Food usually comes from animals and plants. It is eaten by living things to provide energy and nutrition.